Question Everything, Even Me by Inga Lehman, the woman who cracked open Earth's core. Inga Lehman, born May 13, 1888, died February 21, 1993. She was a Danish seismologist and geophysicist who is known for her discovery in the 1936 of the solid inner core that exists within the molten outer core of the Earth. While others misread seismic waves as shadows, her math revealed the truth. The discovery rewrote geology textbooks. Lehman attributed her success to question everything, even me.